One Dark Bird, written by Garton Scanlon, illustrated by Frann Preston-Gannon. One Dark Bird. And this story is all about starlings. And so in the beginning it says, starlings are shiny, darkly feathered birds that are fast flyers and very social. Sometimes when starlings are startled or threatened, they come together to form a murmuration, a single seeming mass that performs coordinated acrobatic dances in the sky. A murmuration can number in the hundreds or thousands of birds and is quite a sight to see. And so hopefully the next time you see a murmuration of starlings, you'll remember One Dark Bird. One dark bird perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. Two birds more come winging by, then three, then four. Flights multiply. This kitty's very interested in the birds. Five more swoop around a cloud, warble, whistle, join the crowd. Six soar brightly, seven sweep, eight will sing the sun to sleep. Then nine, then 10, from who knows where, till starling sounds fill up the air. Now, do you remember at the beginning when it said why starlings form this big group? Yeah, when they're startled or threatened. So something makes them scared. 100 here and there and there. Fine feathered friends with sky to spare. But suddenly they're all alert. Danger's near and flights divert. They wheel away from hunting hawk. Single birds become a flock. So here's a hawk, a hunting hawk. What is he looking to do? Yeah, he's a predator, to eat them. And now they have banded together to form, what's it called when there's a group of starlings? A murmuration. And it really is so beautiful to see. Waves like water, dark, then light, from down to up, then left to right. A rush, a murmur, out turns in, a dot to dot, a corkscrew spin. Flapping fervor, noisy clutch, they dance together without touch. Isn't that so remarkable? There's so many of them. You know, I think about when we would try to do dances in the classroom, and I've got like 25 kids, and they're all running into each other even though they have space, but then you get hundreds and thousands of birds that somehow do these miraculous movements in perfect synchrony without running into each other. Until it's over. Falls apart. Each flies alone, like at the start. Hundreds here, and then good night. They fly away with evening's light. Almost as quickly as it came, they've dispersed. Till just a few float loose and free. 10 birds settle in a tree. 9 land here, and 8 dive there. 7 swing in still sweet air. 6 sing softly, 5 just sigh, 4, then 3, then 2, goodbye. There's a kitty. One last bird perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. Did we hear that already? Yes, that's exactly how the book started. It starts in the morning. A view of town, a taste of sky. And now, at night, one bird again. A view of town, a taste of sky. But then it could happen all over again. So when you see a murmuration of starlings, again, it just kind of appears out of nowhere, and then you watch this beautiful dance, and then they're gone. One dark bird.